Hello and welcome to our CertSecure Manager integration series. In this video, I'm going to do the initial setup for an IIS renewal agent and show you the whole process. So in this machine, I am domain joined for our environment, as well as I have the IIS services set up on this machine. I am on our environment here, and I'm going to go down to utilities. I'm going to go to agents. Then in our renewal agents page, you can click on this download button. And then we're going to download our IIS agent. And once that's done, we're going to go to the file path, and we're going to extract all these to a folder I have in my C drive. So I set up this folder beforehand. You can set up this information to go wherever you'd like, but I have this just in my C drive, and I have it as IIS agent. Select that folder and extract. Then we're going to go to that folder, and we're going to make some configurations for our renewal agent. In here, we have a couple different things we're going to set. We're going to set our name for this. I'm going to do IIS test 1, 2, 3. Next, you'll be prompted for the IP. For me, it is this. For you, it'll be slightly different. And underneath that, you'll see logging and certificate. For logging, you can set the directory to wherever you'd like. I'm just going to keep it default for now. And for certificate, obviously your site will be different. Mine's default website. Next, I'm going to save that file, and we can close that. Then in this folder, we'll open up a CMD and run a couple commands. So we're going to be targeting this IIS agent right here. So we'll do IIS tab and install. Once that's done, we will verify that that service has started with the task manager. Now that that's done, we'll go and verify with our task manager. We see IIS renewal agent here, so we're good. Close that. Then we'll run IIS tab and debug for setting up the registration key. So you'll grab the registration key from the front end. Let me verify that this goes through, and then we'll grab the registration token from the front end. So it's going to start the service and generate a couple files. All right, now that that's done, it will ask us for a agent registration key. So we're going to go back to our front end, and I'm in utilities, agents, and create registration token right here. Then we're going to copy that, and we'll close this and paste our key. Now, once that's done, we can hit Control-C to stop the service. And then we will close this for now. And we will come back to here, CMD, and go back to IIS and start. Now that our service has started, we'll go back to our front end. And in our agents section, we will refresh. And now we can see our newly created renewal agent. Now, the last thing you want to do for this is once you have this all set up, you'll come here and you'll update the certificate information. So we'll set our certificate authority, our certificate template. We'll type our common name. I'll just do IIS test cert. And we'll set our key length, organization details, unit, and city. And we'll set a watcher. And we'll save. So once that is done, you'll come back here and click renew. Click yes. Now that a certificate has been renewed for our IIS agent, we'll come here and you can view the certificate details. So we set our common name, and you'll see all the information here. That is about it for setting up our IIS renewal agent. If you're interested in the full playlist for CertSecure integration setup, there's a link in the description below, or you can go to Encryption Consulting on YouTube and find our playlist there.